Hello, I'm Adam Barralet and welcome to this Crystal Connections video. We're exploring how to make a crystal elixir. Now first of all, what is a crystal elixir? Well, you may have heard that you can charge water with different things. You may have seen the different research that has found when words are exposed to water that the water actually takes on that energy of the words such as love or peace, as opposed to hate and anger and different things like that. Well, imagine if we take the energetic beings of different crystals and actually place them in water, what kind of amazing water we could make. So when it comes to making a crystal elixir, there are two different types. There's one called a direct elixir and there's one called an indirect elixir. And that basically means, are we going to put the crystal in the water or next to the water? How are we going to do that depends on the crystal you're using. Not all crystals are safe to put in water. So which crystals are? Now, we could do a 10-hour video on every single crystal, and that's going to take a long time, but this is my general rule. What crystals are safe to put in water? The quartz family. So that is clear quartz, smoky quartz, rose quartz, citrine, and amethyst, as well as all tumbled stones. Those that have been polished and varnished like this, of any crystal, apart from selenite. All of them are going to be fine to make a crystal elixir with by putting it in the water. Any other crystal, that would be a raw crystal or tumbled selenite, is not safe to put in water. One, it may have different components or elements in it, such as a large amount of copper or aluminium, which we shouldn't really be consuming. And secondly, it may actually damage your crystal as well, which you definitely don't want. Mother Earth took thousands of years growing it. We don't want just one mistake to ruin it straight away. So, once you've chosen the crystal and what kind of energy you want to imbue into that water, you then simply find some pure water. Now, where do we get pure water from? Well, you want to have not just something out of the tap, ideally something that's as natural as possible. From a natural spring or stream or rainwater would be absolutely amazing. Or if you're not going to drink it, even seawater would be absolutely powerful as well. Then simply place the crystal in or next to that water. You want the water to probably be in something like a glass container where energy can kind of move quite freely through and in it. What I also love to do is if I'm looking for some energy which is uplifting and vibrant and expansive, I like to put that water and that crystal in the sun, maybe on a windowsill or outside for the day. Or if you're looking for something a little bit more magical, what I'll do is I'll pop that out under the full moon. If it's going to be about the mysterious or something like that, out on the night of the dark moon, or something really powerful out during a lightning storm, or something kind of colorful, maybe when there's a rainbow. There's all different elements of nature that you can use. You can even put it out on a windy day if you're looking to work with the air aspect and the intellect. You can put it near when it's raining for that water element, or even on the earth if you want something more grounding, near a big tree or an oak or something like that as well. Of course, any of these different elements, and you know that you can make flower essences and all these different things by imbuing that energy in water. Once we've got our crystal elixir, what are we going to do with it? Well, as long as we've done it in a safe way, you can use it and drink it, and you're bringing that energy into your being. But there are other great things you can do with it as well. You can use them in spritzers to spritz around your space to bring that energy around. You can make magical blends out of them, or put them in your essential oil diffusers. And I'm going to talk a little bit about that in another video. Check out my video called How to Make a Crystal Cauldron. So, crystal elixirs are really beautiful ways of bringing crystal's energy and spreading it around you in whichever way you want to use it. Have you made a crystal elixir? What have you noticed? I'd love to hear about your experience with it. Please share with our crystal loving community and leave a comment in the section below so we can all learn from other people's experience. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I'm Adam Barralet. Blessed be.